Very warm welcome.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I am first of all I congratulate all the jury, the participants and the winner of the astounding outstanding security performance awards. And I am thankful to BW Security World that has organized such a wonderful event in India for the first time. I am also thankful to Mr. Rajiv Mathur and his entire team to give me a space to be one of the jury members of such an outstanding security performance award, OSPA. OSPA encourages one of the important awards for outstanding new security product that has been designed and implemented to improve any of security practices and has been introduced to the Indian security market in the last 12 months. The key point about new products is that they have a marked effect on improving security performance. That is that they add value and have clearly identified benefits. Two questions were asked to the participants, and in this category we have 5 participants. After detailed discussion with the esteemed jury members, we have selected the best one out of 5 participants. Thank you very much once again.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dr.
Thank you so
Chakrabarti.
much.
You've been also an active. I saw you ask the question in the panel discussion I did. I've seen you at many BW webinars. So thank you for being part of our initiative. We are grateful to you. Let's roll the jury AVs.
Yes,
Thank you.
let's quickly find out who the winner is in this category. So many congratulations to Videonetics Technology Private Limited to have it as Jaya Ghosh, Marcom Manager for Videonetics. Warm
Good
welcome
evening,
and many
ladies and
congratulations.
gentlemen. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are really pleased, honored, and humbled to receive Outstanding New Security Product Award. This is indeed a proud moment for Videonetics. And a special thanks to OSPAS, Business World, and respected jury members. Such prestigious recognitions testify our commitment and encourage us to innovate more and more Indian technical properties. And we got this award for our deeper look framework, which is artificial intelligence and deep learning enabled. And the deeper look has been deployed in smart and safety projects for traffic violation management, municipal operations management, like garbage management, public safety, and now in fact combating spread of coronavirus. And that's all happening under a unified platform. That's the power of our deeper look framework. And thank you so much once again. We are proudly securing more than 140 cities, 100 enterprise, 80 airports, and much more. So thank you once again.
Congratulations, Ms. Ghosh. All the
Thank
best.
you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Chakrabarti. Thank you, Dr.
Thank you, thank you, thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Chakrabarti, and congratulations, Ms. Ghosh, to your entire team as well. Outstanding New Security Product Award goes to Videonetics Technology Private Limited. Here, I want to urge everybody who's watching us, not just those who are part of the security industry, but to each one, because these are the companies who are taking measures to make sure that we all stay safe and secure.